they come. They're off and facing from the outside. You Bet Your Glass is hightailing it to the front. Along the inside, Daily Deposit Only, well positioned in second. The field gaps out a bit to Stetton Hanover in third. Then comes Diamond Stickpin in fourth. Racing in fifth is Cowboy Hanover, and further back is Stonebridge Wish. They stay in that order past the quarter-mile mark. The time was 26 4/5. They're under a pressure pace as they move around that turn and head out towards the halfway mark. It's You Bet Your Glass leading it by a length and a quarter, with Daily Deposit Only now tightening up in second. Popping to the outside, Stetton Hanover beginning to advance from third. Further back, Diamond Stickpin coming on fourth, with Cowboy Hanover in fifth and Stonebridge Wish. That halftime is 54 4/5. On to the far turn in the 5/8 marker. It is still You Bet Your Glass looking tough on top. On the outside, Stetton Hanover. Down along the inside, Daily Deposit Only. They're scrapping over second and third. Racing in fourth is Diamond Stickpin. Fifth is Cowboy Hanover. Sixth is Stonebridge Wish. As they approach the three-quarter-mile marker, it is still You Bet Your Glass looking the part, leading by a length and a quarter. Daily Deposit Only along the inside second. Outside, Stetton Hanover third. The three-quarters in 1:22 2/5. They're off the turn into the home stretch. It's You Bet Your Glass. On the outside, Daily Deposit Only. Along the inside, Diamond Stickpin. Coming on fourth is Stetton Hanover. Late stretch, Daily Deposit Only will get there first. Zipping You Bet Your Glass with Diamond Stickpin finishing third. The mile in 1:50 4/5. Judges have posted the unofficial winners. Number 1, Daily Deposit Only, rallying in the final 16th to defeat number 5, You Bet Your Glass, who turned in fast early fractions. Third, number 3, Diamond Stickpin.